Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video to speak and basically do the practice in this video. And today I'm going to speak about what I've experienced to visiting one mall which is very closest to my house. And so if I talk about Q cars, basically I just skipping today because I just want to explore, I want to just express myself what I have felt in while going to the mall basically. So stay with me till the end of this video. You will find a lot of insightful things which can help you visiting to any kind of complex where you are finding buying like basically some sort of things for yourself. So let's jump into this video. So if I talk about, like, I visited Trends, which is owned by Reliance basically. So over there I visited and I've seen a lot of clothes item, and there are multiple brand which is out of the country basically. Most of them are out of country, and Peters England and Monte Carlo, they are big brand in other part of India, and they are basically come from European countries. So I've seen their tags basically, and they are like out of my budget, and so I was trying to buy them, but I know that I cannot afford it, and so that is way too much from my basically expense which I've spent on clothing basically. So I've seen there is huge sale is running out, and so I've bought some sort of clothes for me where I got like 50 or 25% of value I just need to give, and that is a huge plus point because in sales you will get a lot of expensive thing in a small kind of price. So this is what we will got, right? And so other thing is that there is a lot of people who are spending by getting all the expensive price, but they cannot afford it. Still they are paying some sort of amount by their credit card. And what I'm going to talk about is like there are multiple people who are using credit card and who are exceeding their limits basically. Leverage, they have already leveraged too much in their life and they have a huge debt, but still they are spending, and because of that they are like regretting end of the day. But they are also getting attracted by the malls because of sales basically. There is a also in financial term that is called overspending, and spending that is not related to your thing basically. And so these all things we have found out in basically malls. There is kind of environment where you will actually feel like if you are not purchasing something, you feel like something missing out, which creates a illusion in your mind, and you are seeing people actually. And so after seeing that you also get excited to buy things, and this is all kind of environment which gets you into like buying something, right? So yeah, malls are basically good sometimes, but if you are going and if you see the habits of the peoples basically, this is makes me crazy because most of the peoples are spending their too much time on there, not on themselves. Because what is more important, it is giving your time on yourself, because that will give you the result at the end. Because like 80% or 90% what matters is your improvement in your mind, right? Because of that you are able to like sustain in this crazy market, because nowadays everyone wants your money, your hard earned money. So this is a crazy thing going on nowadays. There is huge big billion day sales where people are buying lot of cell phones, and and there is a huge debt because of that, and consumer debt you can say, and that is not good for you and not good for economy as well. So try to reduce this, because that will help us to gain some sort of thing which we can use it in near future, basically, right? So I just want to express myself the feeling which I've basically got after going there. So I think you understand and what I'm trying to say in this video. If you don't understand, you can just listen this video as a practice. So I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye. Have a good day.